what this is. Church, of course. What's the name? Get out of the way. Quite a happening area, huh? Lots happening going on. What's going on here? Beautiful church. All right. Here somewhere. Let's keep an eye out.
Excuse me, sir.
What? Got you. Got you, good dog. What's happening?
We just had a Viennese coffee.
How good is this place?
Yeah.
Like, grand, huh? Very grand.
You've been wandering around?
I've been wandering around doing some vlogs. I went out for a scooter ride, just finished here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's a great scooter place, city.
Yeah. I don't have those stone walking ones.
Yeah, there was a bit of Old Town. Did you guys see the
The square?
Michaelerplatz?
Not yet. We just saw the cathedral here.
I
The
see.
pointy one.
I see.
That yet? I don't
Just over here, the dark one, huh?
Yeah, the toxic looking one.
Yeah, so just now.
Yeah, we just.
Is he just paying, is he?
Yeah.
I might just get a coffee on the go or something.
Yeah.
How long did it take to make one?
5 minutes? You can order now.
Yeah, I'll be back in a second.
Yeah.
Yes, my brother. Yeah. Oh, brother. What's going on, bro? Nice place, huh?
Yeah.
Very grand.
And nice
Let me grab a coffee, and I'll meet you guys in a second. Cool. So, what's happening, my brothers and sisters?
What'd you get?
What did I get? I don't know. I was riding around town on my scooter with this. I got some cool content. Like all this. Yeah, just before coming here. What'd you guys like? Tell me, you, Sableen.
So far, we're still exploring, but it's really nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, quite happening place.
So one thing I've noticed personally for me, fuck, it's grand, isn't it?
It is huge.
It's definitely grand. It's different kind of like, this has been my, I thought I'd seen Europe. I'm actually impressed by this.
Yeah.
I was like, wow. What do you think, Minku?
Yeah, man. I love this. Did you check out the St. Stephen Cathedral? The
dark one here?
big dark one, Dracula.
I just did. I like just for like 10 seconds or 15 seconds. I was just riding past it. I was like, I'll just show it to the peeps.
Yeah, it's very royal sort of a setup here, isn't it?
It's
Exactly.
like you're going to a ball.
Actually, here's the thing. Here's a fun fact about Vienna. It actually hosts like 300 balls a year.
There you go. Makes sense.
There's a palace
Bring up
thing.
with them.
It's known for its palaces. So Vienna recently beats Melbourne as the most livable city in the world. And I can see it. You know, I can see people.
It's actually very nice. I'm actually very happy being in this space.
People are happy here.
I want to come and live here. I will see what the prices are.
It's expensive.
Like getting a place, huh? For a month, 2
How much
months.
for your coffee? 4 euros?
Ooh, I think it was like 3 to 4 euros.
4 euros.
Like
that's
$7
you
bucks.
convert it to $7.
That's very expensive.
$7.
It's like Spain style, you know?
In Australia, that would be
$2, $3.
4.5.
Yeah. If I was living here, I would be buying like and cooking food at home.
Yeah. You'll be buying the instant coffee.
I'm glad that we're here for a day. Enjoy it.
Yeah.
Because otherwise it would have hurt the bank.
Even the hotel turned out to be like much better than the photos.
Oh, yeah?
For the first time, for the first time, like I booked the hotel. I was like, it looks already kind of like average on the
Tiny,
on the photos. Maybe when I go there, it's gonna be even shittier. I open the door. Wow. Okay.
Our one was opposite. We thought that
It would be bigger.
we thought it would be better, like knowing it's the Madison blue and shit. But walked in, it's fucking tiny. Like we don't have place to put our bags.
Really?
So Bratislava turned out to be bigger. This one is tiny. Our 2 big bags, we don't know where to put them. Like open them.
I see. Interesting. Oh wow. I got plenty of space. The only downside of my room is my TV is not like fucking like LCD 32. It's
not
like
there to watch
20.
TV.
Yeah, but it's still
Oh,
just.
shit, TV.
You might as well take it away, bro. It just puts down the whole room. It's like this much room. Who watches this much small TV these days?
You're not gonna shit to you.
Maybe it's not a TV. Maybe it's a computer screen. I don't know about it. I don't know. Maybe that's a possibility.
It's a monitor. You have to do a laptop.
You know the TV that you bought once, like 32 inch, your first LCD, like fucking thick as fuck. It's 6
Yeah. Who's got it?
That's a TV we have. It's like very similar to that.
Oh, that one you knew.
Yeah,
I see. 30.
like this thick.
It's called.
LCD.
It's called a EXW. 32 EXW. Sony Bravia.
That's alright.
Prima.
This was nice. This is what Vienna is known for. It was that particular cake.
When in Vienna. Yeah, I was just talking to myself earlier. I was like, man, one day is not enough for this place.
It's not, but it's enough to just understand. For you to know if
It's a high class place. I would like to come back here and one day spend 3 months when things allow.
Sí, señor.
I'm glad you came because you wouldn't have otherwise, right?
Yeah, totally.
Like,
Totally. I would have stayed, But I do have one friend. She used to live here. She's from Ukraine. She moved here. I don't think she's here anymore. Huh? I messaged her. She's not here anymore. She's in, can't remember another place. But she was actually a good friend from Kiev, Ukraine.
Should we walk and explore? Or you
Yeah.
want to finish your coffee?
Let's go. Let's walk and explore. I don't. You got it? I love exploring like this. I don't have to do a lot of filming. But only have 35% or 25% battery left, so limited time. Let's go check out this.
Look at the pastel color. Also, I've never seen a pastel color.
Yeah. Did you guys see this place? Hold this for a second. I told him extra hot, and he saw me in my glove. I'm like, extra. He's like, yeah. Where are you from? I was like, oh, in New Zealand, yeah.
I'm Mr. Barclay.
Yeah, just the way he asked me, he's like, you pussy, where are you from? Yeah. I have to show you this place which I just went to. Oh my god. I thought you had already seen it, but wow, it was amazing.
More
Oh, that's the place I wanted to go to. It's the
It's a Michaelplatz.
not Michael, right? Joseph.
But check this.
Jacob's Platz.
Like, whoa, it was just so grand. It just looked really
Yeah,
grand.
it was.
Going to a ball, you getting off the horse
Absolutely.
with a red ass gown.
Yeah, absolutely. And when you go inside, I was like, wow.
I had that on my list. It's called the Joseph Platz.
Joseph Platz.
Platz. How far is it?
That was a 10-minute walk.
Is it towards our hotel?
I think so, yeah.
Did you walk? How did you taxi here?
I walked here, and in the middle, I also caught a scooter. So before I was walking around just doing my vlogs, and then I was like, fuck, these guys keep running away, they're not stopping. So I was like, I'm never gonna catch up. So I got myself a scooter.
My phone and this guy just creeps up from the back and sits down like, excuse me.
Can we check out this place? This was actually one of the things on my list today.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, absolutely. You have to check this out.
Let's go.
This was the place that made me go, wow.
Can we go, please? Before we
Yeah.
go to the
Sí, señor. No. I'm happy to go back there again. More than happy to go back there again.
Towards that direction and explore other gullies on the way.
Streets, she means.
Gotta watch out what I say.
Gully
Gully
in Hindi and Punjabi.
means streets.
Streets, dog. In Croatian, it means ulica.
What is ulica?
Ulica means street. Ulica.
prominent walk, guys.
Oh, that's annoying. I love these gullies.
Okay, where are yeah, we need to try like a Viennese cuisine.
Viennese.
We just want sausages and
Oh, I love the sausage.
Yo. Hold on. Oh,
It's actually for dogs.
for dogs, yeah. It used to be for humans, but now it's for dogs.
that's it.
Oh wow, look at that building. And distance. You know, it's very grand. It really is. So this place that we were looking at earlier, it's called what?
St. Stephen's Cathedral.
St. Stephen's Cathedral.
Cathedral.
Cathedral. Let's take a look from here. Get a quick shot of this side here. Wow. You know what? It actually does remind me of the Barcelona Cathedral. Yeah. So the Barcelona Cathedral has got the same style.
Love
Cathedral.
the detail.
Yeah.
Why some
The
of
little
it
tiny little things, you know?
Why is some of it black and some of it's like beige?
I wonder.
Because it's dirty or clean, needs to be cleaned up.
Possibly, who knows? Stone is always. Watch out, G, watch out. Oh, shit. You just missed it.
Did I miss it?
Yeah, I missed it just. Good. He's like. So yeah, one thing about Europe is like you gotta always check the footpaths. Usually either you find dog shit. In this case that was horse shit. So one thing that I'm seeing here is that this does remind me of Barcelona architecture, for shizzle. Especially the cathedrals. Quite a busy area. If you haven't seen my Barcelona videos, I'll leave a link down below. You can check it out as well. And tell me what you think. Does this look similar to Barcelona Cathedral? Hey, you want a quick bite? Are you guys hungry? Soon?
Soon, yeah.
Like proper food, right? Proper food, okay.
Once we get to that place.
Which place? The one that I showed you earlier?
Yeah.
Cool.
Joseph Platz.
It's not Joseph Platz, Mike.
Joseph Platz.
Is it?
And I think that's the one you told me.
Check out this building, man. These apartments.
Yeah.
These guys will have the best view of this. Wow. So imagine living here. Those windows are like good 2 meters as well, 2 or 3 meters. 2 meter windows, large windows, plenty of light. And this view. Wow. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Crazy. So I want to save my battery because the bro wants to check out the Platz and I want to capture his reactions too.